Love, Nanay and Claire. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay and this is Claire. Welcome to my channel. This is Nanay with Claire. We make thank you cards for my teachers because I'm ready for my graduate to my big school. Thank you for my school. Thank you for my classmates. Thank you for my teacher. Thank you for my everything.
Everything.
Everything is a much people.
We're going to fold the paper into half.
Ito po now.
Yeah, that's it. Wait, one sec. A little bit more. Okay, go. Nice.
Yay! This is nakakapa! Yay!
Yeah.
Wow! It's nice! Yes, I'm done now, kapay!
Teach you a little magic.
Wow! Magic! It's magic!
Ito kasi, ito yung lagi kong ginagawa nung elementary. So let's have 6 centimeters down, 5 centimeters at the sides. Connect the dot straight line here and up here. Like that. Nice. Yeah. There. Connect this dot to this dot. Nice.
There we go!
This is our template for the cuttings later.
There
There.
we go.
Then that's it.
Whoa! That's it!
Yeah. We're going to press this part inward like that. Ah. Ta-da!
Wow! That's the nice! Careful! That's it again, kapam!
There you go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wow! There.
Press, press! The bottom press! My teachers are Miss Dago, Miss Pingo, Miss Sava, Miss Duero.
Okay, 4 of them. So next thing we're going to do is you're going to think something about your teacher. So think of something that reminds you about Miss Dago.
Let me think. Oh, I know! A smiley face!
Smiley face because
Because Miss Dago is just like the business.
she likes to smile. Okay, so we're
She
going
got
to
a lipstick, she got a red lipstick, and then she got a long gray hair.
Next is Miss Pingol. What reminds you of Miss Pingol?
Horse?
Heart. Why
Yes.
heart?
Because I love Miss Pingo. Miss Pingo's so nice too. She got a glasses.
What will you give to Miss Duero?
Oh, I know. A diamond.
Diamond. Why diamond?
Because Miss Duero likes a golden diamond.
Yeah, diamonds are not gold. Diamonds are glittery.
Oh.
What reminds you of Miss Hava?
Miss Sava, Miss Sava, Miss Sava. No. A star!
Star. Why star?
Because Miss Sava likes a star and then a moon like you.
Like me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes. You can do it, Claire. You can do it. Yeah, no more laugh all night.
Yes, you don't need to go beyond the line.
Yes, because that was the like laugh on the line.
Yung mga teachers ni Claire always remind them to not lapaw the line or don't color beyond the line. Very good, you remember.
Yes, because my teachers teach me how to how to not lap on the line.
Yeah.
I'm so glad of them.
Wow.
La 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 la. Ready, 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 ready. Whoa, that's amazing, Nanay.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's so amazing.
Nice. Wow.
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 It's
Then,
for
wow.
Haba. Orange.
Yay.
Wow, wait, time
Wow.
for me. Tago.
Wow.
That's amazing. We're done making four thank you cards for my teachers. Make your thank you cards for your teachers too.
Yeah, so you can be creative and just use whatever you have from your house. For sure, teachers will appreciate it.
Goodbye, KaFam. This is Nanay with Claire. Goodbye. Click the bell button for watch Nanay